Hello students, in this video I am going to teach properties of triangle. Means under properties of triangle we have to study about sine formula, cosine formula, area of triangle, Napier's formula and relation between three sides and two angles and few other formula. Clear? This is my video numbers 24 and this is first video of properties of triangle. Then if these chapters will finish, means your trigonometrical chapters in your book is finished also. Clear? Then in this chapters we have to study about sine formula, cosine formula, area of triangle, Napier's formula and relation between three sides and two angles. Clear? So first of all write the formula here. Here sine formula, A upon sine of A is equal to B upon sine of B is equal to C upon sine of C. Clear? Or we can write here sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon B is equal to sine C upon C. Understood? Because here three terms are equal to each other, when we have to put the value, we can suppose K. Means I will tell during the question. Second, cosine formula. Clear? Means cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon what? 2BC. Cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Cos C is equal to what? A square plus B square minus C square upon what? 2AB. Clear? Third one, relation between three sides and two angles. Clear? Means here A is equal to what? A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B is equal to what? A cos C plus C cos A. C is equal to what? A cos B plus B cos A. Clear? Now we can count here A, B, C. Three sides, capital C, capital B are angle. Clear? B, A, C are sides, C and A angles. C, A, B are sides, B and A angles. Clear? Okay. Now area triangle means 1 upon 2 AB sine of C, 1 upon 2 AB BC sine of A, AB BC CA, CA sine of B. Clear? Understood? First of all, you see here. After that, Napier's formula. Napier's formula. Clear? Napier's formula means tan B minus C by 2, B minus C upon B plus C and cot A by 2. Clear? And B minus C, C minus A by 2 is equal to what? C minus A upon C plus A cot B by 2. B minus C, C minus A, A minus B. tan A minus B by 2 is equal to A minus B upon A plus B into cos C by 2. This was formula we have to learn. Okay. Then formula number 1, sine formula. It means in this formula used sine. A upon sine of A is equal to B upon sine of B is equal to C upon sine of C, or we can write sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon B is equal to sine C upon C. Clear? Second is cosine formula. Cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. And cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Third formula is relation between three sides and two angles. Means small a is equal to small b cos C plus small c cos B. B is equal to A cos C plus C cos A. C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. And formula number 4, area of triangle, means triangle is equal to 1 by 2 AB sine of C. Triangle is equal to 1 by 2 BC sine of A. Triangle is equal to 1 by 2 CA sine of B. Means 1 by 2 AB sine C, half of BC sine A, and half of CA sine of B. And last one means that is 5, Napier's formula or Napier's analog. Clear? Tan B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C upon B plus C cot A by 2. Tan C minus A upon 2 is equal to C minus A upon C plus A cot B by 2. Tan A minus B upon 2 is equal to A minus B upon A plus B cot C by 2. Now this is very simple. Don't confuse. How we learn? Very simple. You can see once more. Okay. Formula number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By technique, by trick, you can learn. Okay. After that, I am going to give the example based on this formula. Now you see question number 1. I am going to solve question number 1. In this question, in a triangle ABC, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and sine A is equal to 2 by 3. Find angle B. Clear? It means you see A and B both are sides. A and B both are angles. First of all, we have to think about the formula which is related to two sides and two angles, that is AB and A and B. Clear? We have formula since A upon sine of A is equal to B upon what? Sine of B is equal to C upon what? Sine of C. So whatever given means whatever values are given, we can put. A means 2 here, 2 upon sine of A. Sine of A means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to B means 3, and sine B we have to find. Clear? Then here 3 into 2 by 2 is equal to 3 upon sine of B. Clear? 2 cancel, and 3 cancel. Yes, 1 is equal to sine of B. That is sine of B is equal to sine 90 degree. Means angle B is equal to 90 degree. Understood? Very simple. First of all, we have to see the values. Whatever values are given, according to questions, we have to write the formula. A upon sine of A is equal to B upon sine of B is equal to C upon sine of C. Then, whatever values are given, we have to put 2 upon 2 by 3. B means 3. Sine B, 2 comes upside means 3 into 2 by 2, 2 cancel, 3 cancels, that is B is equal to 90 degree. Understood? Okay, now say in any triangle ABC, prove that sine B upon sine C is equal to C minus A cos B upon B minus A cos C. In these questions, I am going to take a right hand side. C minus A cos B upon B minus A cos of C. Clear? Since C is equal to what? C is equal to what? A cos of B plus B cos of A. Clear? We have formula. And small b is equal to what? Small b is equal to A cos of C plus C cos of A. Clear? From beginning, already I have written all the formula of property of triangle. During the questions, once more I am writing. Then C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A, and small b is equal to A cos C plus C cos A. Now, in the place of C and B in both numerator and denominator, we have to put A cos B plus B cos A and A cos C plus C cos A respectively. Clear? Now C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A minus A cos B. B is equal to A cos C plus C cos A minus A cos C. Now A cos B minus A cos B, A cos C minus A cos C is equal to B cos A upon C cos A. Here cos A cancel, B upon C. Understood? Now, since A upon sin of A is equal to B upon sin of B is equal to C upon sin of C, suppose here K. Then B is equal to K sin of B, C is equal to what? K sin of C, K cancel, and sin B upon sin C is equal to left hand side. Clear? Then hence, understood? Very simple. Question number 3. In this question, in any triangle ABC, prove that A B cos C minus A cos B is equal to B square minus C square. Clear? Now, left hand side, A B cos C minus C cos B. Clear? Now open the bracket. AB cos C minus AC cos B. Clear? Since cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB, and cos B is equal to what? A square plus C square minus B square upon here 2AC. Clear? This is formula. AB cos C is equal to what? A square B square minus C square upon 2AB minus AC cos B is equal to what? A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. In the place of cos A, this is formula. Then I have substituted here. In the place of B also cos B is equal to this is formula. Now AB cancel by this AB, AC cancel by this AC. Then 1 by 2 common, A square plus B square minus C square minus A square plus C square minus B square. Now 1 by 2 A square plus B square minus C square minus A square minus C square plus B square. A square minus C square cancel here. B square 2B square, and here 2C square. Now 2 is common. B square minus C square cancel. B square minus C square is equal to what? Right hand side, means hence proof. Clear? Very simple. This is question. Now first of all open the bracket. In the place of cos A and cos B, I have written a formula. AB cancel, ACC cancel, omit 2 common. Now open the bracket, at last answer will come. Understood? Okay. Say question number 4. In question number 4, b square minus a c square upon a square sin up to a plus c square minus a square upon b square sin up to b plus a square minus b square upon c square into sin 2c is equal to 0. We have to prove this much value. Then it is understood. We will take left hand side here. B square minus a square upon a square. Now sin 2 is equal to what? 2 sin a into cos a plus c square minus a square upon b square 2 sin b cos of b a square minus b square upon c square 2 sin c into cos c. Here. Now, in the place of a, b square minus a square upon a square into 2, a means here ak, cos of a, c square minus a square upon b square into 2, b means bk, cos of b, here a square minus b square upon c square into 2 into ck and cos of c. Here. Now here a cancel, b cancel, c cancel. 2k upon a b square minus c square. Cos is equal to what? Cos is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon what? Cos is equal to what? Here 2bc. This is formula. Plus c square minus a square 2k. In first step right here 2k upon b and c square minus a square into cos b means what? Cos b means a square plus c square minus b square upon what? Here 2ac. Clear? Then now going to this here plus 2k upon c a square minus b square. Cos c means what? A square plus b square minus c square upon what? 2ab. Clear? Why? Because just I have written here cos is equal to what? B square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. Cos b is equal to what? A square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac. And cos c is equal to what? A square b square minus c square upon 2b. Clear? And a upon sin of a, b upon sin of b, c upon sin of c is equal to cancel. Then 2 cancel, 2 cancel, this 2 cancel by this 2. After that k upon abc, k upon abc common here. Then b square minus c square into b square plus c square minus a square plus k upon 2 abc. 2 to cancel means here abc only, and c square minus a square, a square plus c square minus b square. Here k upon abc, a square minus b square, a square plus b square minus c square. Now k upon abc common. Clear? Here and last one also. Then multiply b power 4 plus b square c square minus b square a square minus c square b square minus c power 4 plus c square a square plus multiply here c square a square c power 4 minus c square b square minus a power 4 minus a square c square plus a square b square. Here a power 4 a square b square minus a square c square minus b square a square minus b power 4 plus b square c square. Clear? Now you can check here b power 4 cancel, b square c square cancel, b square a square, b square a square, b square a square here cancel, c power 4 c square a square, c square a square cancel, c square a square, c square a square cancel here, c square b square, c square b square cancel here, a power 4 cancel, last one a square b square cancel. Clear? All the value cancel means what? And is equal to k upon abc into 0 is equal to 0. Then here what? Right hand side means hence 2. Understood? Very simple. Very simple. And all the questions are very important. Please, before doing questions, please I request you, first of all, you will maintain all the formula, because today I am going to finish all the chapters of trigonometry from your book. Then please you write all the formula together in one copy, and please you will maintain, because all the questions are simple. But if you want means if you know calculation and formula, you can do so many questions. Okay, thank you very much.